It's almost been 3 months since I went to Turkey and got a hair transplant, so I'm going to bring you guys along and show you my entire hair routine that I've been doing every day and show you how I've been keeping my native hairs healthy, so when the actual transplanted hair comes in a few months, it all comes together beautifully. As you can see, the donor area looks completely untouched at this point, and it's only been almost 3 months, and I will be getting the back done next year, so just be patient. The first thing I use is a topical finasteride from Zion. It is 1 pump a day and keeps your body from making your testosterone convert into DHT, which is the reason why we go bald in the first place. This specific form of finasteride is aimed to reduce any chance of side effects from its use, and I can proudly say that I've been on it for over a year and have 0 side effects, as with my entire routine as a whole. This will prevent me from losing any more native hair that could possibly fall out, because if I were to lose the native hair and I just had the transplanted hair, which will never fall out no matter what, well, I'd still be balding and not look good. So once it comes in, we want to get the best results possible. So if finasteride keeps me from losing more hair, we need to make sure we can actually grow some hair. So that brings me to the next thing I use every single day, which is Growplex minoxidil. It's 2 pumps twice a day, and you apply it to the top of your head and rub it in evenly. Just like the finasteride I use, this version of minoxidil is a foam version that is specifically designed to reduce the chance of side effects using natural ingredients that combat any chance of dryness or irritation to the scalp. I know it sounds like much, but it's honestly really simple. I just do it when I brush my teeth morning and night. It takes less than 5 minutes every day, and it's a necessity to keep those native hairs healthy. Minoxidil is what actually goes into the hair follicle and gives it the nutrients it needs to grow. That's why finasteride and minoxidil are such a deadly combo. The next thing I use is a combination of natural oils from Maine Elixir Blend. It's got all types of ingredients that truly help support the use of minoxidil and finasteride. This is key, and I use it 3 times a week. You fill up the syringe and apply it evenly on your head and just rub it in simply. The combined effects of rosemary oil, castor oil, pumpkin seed oil, all of it is supporting healthy hair. Even if you're not balding, using something like this is extremely healthy for scalp health and hair health. And there was a study done that rosemary oil is just as effective as 2% minoxidil. So when you combine that with 5% minoxidil, you're truly supporting that follicle as much as you can and getting the best results out of your hair routine that's evenly possible. Someone like me who had lost most of my hair before I got it back with the routine and then got the transplant, it's a necessity to do things like this to support the growth all the way.
The last thing I'm currently using is a scalp massager from Amike.
When I'm all done doing my entire routine for the night, this is essential to actually disperse all of the ingredients and just kind of get it all around my head so it hits every follicle that I might have missed while I'm just doing it with my fingertips. It's very essential you don't rub too hard when doing this, especially after a hair transplant. I don't want to agitate my scalp any more than it's already been from the operation, even though I'm pretty healed at this point. But basically, you lightly massage the top of your head for 5 to 10 minutes every single day, and you know, it's nothing too crazy. This isn't making my hair come back, but it's just a good added support. Everything I use for my entire hair routine is linked in my bio if anyone's interested in actually getting it for themselves. I've studied this stuff. I've made sure I have the perfect routine for myself, but do your own research. Make sure it's correct for you. We're only a couple months away from the transplanted hair really poking in, and I'm so excited. Thank you for all the support, guys. Any questions, let me know.